Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga. Today we are going to do some simple asanas for the knees. Take your hands to your waist. Let's do on the spot walking. Lift your knees up as high as possible. Alternate between the two legs. Be slow and gentle. We are slowly warming up for the strengthening asanas. Next, keep your palms 1 inch above your knees. Let's go for knee rotation. 7 rounds in the right. Be gentle with this movement. We don't want to hurt our knees. Make sure you're not keeping your palms on the kneecaps. Let's go in the opposite direction. Last one, finish. Come back to standing position. Next, take your hands to your waist. Lift your right leg up. Place your right palm on your right knee. Push your knee aside. This not only helps to strengthen your knee but also opens the pelvic region. If you're not able to hold your balance, you can take support for this. Slowly bring your knee forward. Take your leg down. Let's do the same on the other side. Lift your left knee up. Place your left palm on your left knee. Push your knee aside. Allow the pelvic to open. Slowly bring your knee forward. Take your leg down. Next, interlock your fingers. Place your palms on your chest. Raise your hands up. Open your palms upwards. Come on your toes. Slowly come down. Raise up. Come on your toes. Stretch fully. Slowly come down. Few more times. Raise and stretch. Come back. Once more, raise and stretch. Come back. Last one. Let's hold for 5. Raise and stretch. Maintain your balance. Look at one point in the front. That will help you to focus. And slowly come down. Bring your hands down. Next, keep your hands at your waist. Keep your legs wide apart. Turn your right foot out. Bend your right knee. Slowly straighten your leg. Once again, bend down. Up. Down. This gentle movement is very effective to strengthen your knees. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. And hold for 5 breaths. Slowly straighten your leg, turn your foot. Let's do the same on the other side. Turn your left foot out, bend your left knee. Come up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and hold for 5 breaths. Slowly straighten your leg, turn your foot. Come back to Samasthiti. Let's begin with our asanas. Keep your legs apart. Turn your right foot out. Bend your right knee. Your leg should be at an angle of 90 degrees. Your knee should not cross your foot. Check your knee if it is crossing the foot. Slowly bring it back. Maintain the angle. Now keep both the hands at the waist. Turn your upper body also to the right. Raise both your hands up above your head to Namaskara Mudra. Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Make sure your knee does not hurt. That is the reason we took all the precautions at the beginning. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your hands down. Straighten your knee. Turn your foot. Let's repeat on the other side. Turn your left leg out. Bend your left knee. Again, check all the points. Your leg at 90 degrees and your knee not crossing the foot. Hands at the waist, turn your upper body to the left. Raise both your hands up. Namaskara Mudra, Virabhadrasana on the left side. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your hands down. Straighten your leg. Turn your foot. Bring your legs back to Samasthiti. Let's go for the next asana. Once again, keep your legs apart. Turn your right foot out. Bend your right knee. Again, check all the points with your knee. Stretch both hands up, palms facing down. Turn only your head, look at your right hand. Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your hands down. Straighten your leg. Turn your foot. Let's go on the other side. Turn your left foot out. Bend your left knee. Stretch both your hands. Make sure your upper body is facing forward. Turn only your head. Look at your left hand. Keep your spine straight. Slowly bring your hands down. Straighten your leg. Turn your foot. Bring your legs back to Samasthiti. Perfect. Let's go for the next asana. Keep your legs apart. Bend both the knees together this time. Open your pelvic region. Stretch your hands up. Turn your palms up. Bend your elbows. Palms facing each other. Goddess pose, Devi Asana. This is a wonderful pose to strengthen your lower body. Straighten your hands, straighten your legs. Bring your hands down. Bring your legs back to Samastiti. Let's go for the next one. Parasvakonasana. This is extremely useful to strengthen your knees. With regular practice, you can make your knees really strong. Now place your right elbow on the right thigh. Stretch your left hand up. Now ensure that your left hand and left leg are in one straight line. Press your left foot firmly on the ground. Make sure you're not putting your entire body weight on the front leg. Slowly come up. Straighten your leg. Turn your foot. Let's go on the other side. Turn your left foot out. Bend your left knee. This time place your left elbow on the left thigh. Raise your right hand up. Once again, make sure your right hand and right leg are in one straight line. Keep breathing. Press your right foot fully on the ground. Slowly bring your hands down. Straighten your knee, turn your foot, come back to Samastiti. Let's go for the next one. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Keep your feet little bit apart for better balance. Raise both the hands up above your head to Namaskara Mudra. Bend both the knees. Imagine as if you are sitting on the chair. Now make sure your knees are pointed forward. Don't open your knees out or don't bring your knees together either. Hold the pose. Perfect. Now slowly bring your hands down. Keep your palms by the side for support. Slowly go down. Go completely down. Come to a yogic squat. Malasana. So Malasana is extremely good to strengthen your legs. Try your best to keep your feet firmly on the ground. If that is not happening, spread your legs apart. Now let's go for Skandasana. Place both the palms on the ground. Stretch your left leg to the side. If possible, bring your hands in front of your chest to Namaskara Mudra. Balance yourself. You need a little bit of focus and concentration for this. Now place your palms on the ground. Take support. Bring your left leg back. Now stretch your right leg. If possible, bring your hands to Namaskara Mudra. Great going. Perfect. Bring your palms down. Bring your legs down. Knees together. Come to Vajrasana position. Let us finish the session. Fold your hands in front of your chest to Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Om. Slowly open your eyes. Be kind, be present, be grateful. Keep practicing. Namaste.